Hello and welcome to How To Automotive. I'm excited about this video because Milwaukee Tool has just announced that they're coming out with the Generation 2 right angle M12 die grinder, and I'm super pumped about that because there was a few little limitations on this one, and I'm pretty sure they're going to have that all worked out. So this is an initial look. We don't have the tools in our hands just yet. They are scheduled to come out in April. And so I'm going to tell you everything I know about that. So come in close and we're going to take a closer look. So we're all familiar with the Generation 1, and this has been an awesome tool, but now they come out with a new one. So the new Gen 2 is going to have a more powerful motor at 0.4, almost a half a horsepower motor in it. The trigger has been completely redesigned. And one of my new favorite features is going to be the one wrench ability to change out the bits on here. So you have a push lock that you're going to hold and then use the one wrench to change out the bits. As you can see by the pictures here, it looks to be a super compact model. It's only 8.2 inches in length and it weighs about 1.3 pounds in weight. And it's got new LED lights to light up the workspaces that you're working on. So that's a much improvement there versus the original one. Alright, so we're going to compare it to the Generation 1 here. So as you can see, the trigger has been completely redesigned. The LED lights was originally down here below, and now they're up here on the headstock up here. Instead of having two wrenches to change out the chucks, it's going to only require one wrench with a push lock button. And it's got a much more powerful motor in it. It's still going to work with all your M12 batteries, so whatever M12 batteries that you have, it's going to be compatible with that. The tool is scheduled to come out in April of 2025, and it's going to be around $350 retail for the kit. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit less for the bare tool. And if you shop around, I'm sure you can be able to find deals. A cool thing about it is these are amazing tools right here. So if you don't have one and you don't want to pay that much money, I'm pretty sure these will pretty much go on sale and probably be literally like half price, you know. So keep an eye out for that if you're interested in the Generation 1. It's still an amazing tool. So that's the initial look at the Generation 2 right angle impact that's coming out. This is the Generation 1, as you can see here. So I'm super excited for it. I hope you guys are subscribed to the channel, so when I get that in my hands, you can look for that review there. I'm Brian Eslick from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe. Thank you again.